are using the tornado puncher, and for some reason the deployment time is 1 second and it can handle 200, 700 miles per hour winds. That's actually a joke. I don't think that's true. You don't think it's true? Yeah, I also believe that. Like 1 second, it just goes down. So I just have to get a heavy probe and we're good to go. No. Oh, EMF. Alright, imagine it's an EMF. Let me check the radar. Oh, hell no. EF5? So let's see if the tornado puncher can survive. Oh no, the tornado puncher cannot survive. Wow. Well, no. It cannot wait. That's not the EF5. That is the EF4. So I just been lied to. Wow. Useless. This is a waste of time to record video, huh?